Alright, Maven Filters, we out here on 46th Avenue, getting a long exposure, but also get some architecture up in the photo. So I got an idea. I'm gonna do 3 bracket long exposures. So going into the menus quickly here, set this up. I'm gonna do 3 brackets on each shot. Ready? So this might take a few minutes, but just want to show you that I am using the Maven Filters CPL 10-stop Dark CPL and a normal 3-stop from Maven Filters. So on the Canon Iris 15 Sunlight photo gear. All right, folks, we out here again with the Maven Filters, getting 3 bracket images, 1 underexposed, 1 neutral exposed, and 1 overexposed, using the dark 10-stop Dark CPL with a 3-stop ND filter. So with that said, everyone, all right, ladies and gentlemen, getting some more shots with the Maven Filter Dark CPL. These are my favorite filters. The Dark CPLs make my life much easier, killing two birds with 1 stone. Seriously, everyone. But I had to add a 3-stop to get 13 stops. So Maven Filters, I'm retaking this shot using your filters this time around. So with that said, everyone, I love these filters. So I'm taking 3 of everything, but underexposed, neutral exposed, and overexposed. Do you guys want to know why I leave this on? This acts like a bumper, just in case I hit something. If I'm walking, if I have it on my camera strap, I take it off my camera strap, take it off my tripod, keep it on my tripod. It acts like a bumper. All right, so people, when I use filters, I use the filters for what it's intended for, which means the filter helps you to get out all day, every day, even at night. So during the day, I use these filters to do 3 bracketed exposures, 1 low, 1 neutral, and 1 overexposed. So when I'm shooting or using these filters, I also can use it for video, not just for photos. This is why I like the Dark CPL versions of the Maven filters. Not only its polarization, but it's an ND filter. So think about your choices. All right, once again, Maven Filters, we out here taking a beautiful picture of the Manhattan Bridge, doing a 3 bracket long exposure with just a dark 10-stop CPL. 13 seconds, well, 10 seconds f9. Well, technically it's supposed to be 13 seconds f9, but it's actually doing the long exposure now because it's doing 3 bracketings. So if we go back, play this again, we got 3 different exposures. So we get another one. So with that said, everyone, using the polarization as well to control some of that blue color in the background. We're on Washington Street here in downtown. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's my setup on the gimbal. As I said, it was compatible with Giant gimbal with some Sunlight photo parts, handle grip, Sunlight photo cage. You know the setup, but this is how it looks. And here is another location and another shot that I'm going to capture. I'm going to capture these like 2 rocks over here. I'm going to be using my Maven Filters Dark CPL. Now, I'm about 0.7 of a stop under. So let's go into the settings. And now we're going to do, we're going to do 3 sets. One's going to be neutrally exposed, one's going to be underexposed, and one's going to be overexposed. So as I take that shot, it's going to be a long exposure. And that's fine. We're not moving anything. The camera is still. The only thing that's moving is the flow of water.